Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 15th, 2018. For your Friday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies. We're going to have an upper level trough that's over top of the region, and that is going to get temperatures a little bit cooler than they were yesterday, but not quite as windy, so it's really not going to feel too much cooler. We had a bit of gusty winds yesterday in the wake of the system that rolled through on Wednesday night, and also two confirmed tornado reports, one up here in Bradford County, which is right about here where that occurred, and then also one over the Wilkes-Barre area, which is on this map right about here. So it basically took a path from the Bradford County and northeastern Lycoming County area and moved southeast through Luzerne, and then again started dying off a little bit over Monroe and then northwestern New Jersey. So took a path down like this, but there were two confirmed tornadoes yesterday in those areas by the National Weather Service Storm Survey Team in Binghamton. But we don't have any precipitation, and nothing forecast through this entire weekend, so it's going to be a good weekend to get some of that cleanup underway. Again, upper level trough over the region today. That is moving over the area, so we will be cooler and just not as windy as it was yesterday. So winds will be much calmer. Still out of the northwest will be the flow. So we'll have temperatures that are going to be the upper 70s to near 80 across the region today. Very comfortable afternoon today for your Friday. And then as we go a little bit further from this, we're going to go to Saturday. Temperatures are going to spike up a little bit, and that's because high pressure later in the day is going to shoot offshore. But we're still going to remain in northwesterly flow, so we're going to still have lower humidity, but temperatures will get up closer to the middle 80s, low to mid 80s across the region. So still a nice day here on Saturday, mostly sunny once again. And then this high pressure is going to become established off the southeastern U.S. coastline, and it's going to really start to crank. So by the time we get to Sunday, we have, looks like nothing in terms of precipitation to worry about, but we do have a southwesterly wind flow coming in here on Sunday, and that is going to get temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 for highs. So heat and humidity start coming into the picture on Sunday, and that's going to last with us on Monday also. And there is an opportunity across our far northern regions of north central Pennsylvania to have a late day isolated thunderstorm, but for most of the rest of us, we are dry. And for the first time in this is now the 8th week, after 7 consecutive weekends of at least some measurable precipitation, it looks like we'll have a rain-free weekend for the first time in 8 weeks. So very nice, very warm weekend coming up. Partly cloudy skies here on Sunday for most areas. Then we get the under the influence of that upper level ridge, and then here's Monday, no precipitation, nothing to stop temperatures in this entire area, probably even far northern areas, south and east of that line getting to 90 or better. And looks like places in the urban areas from Harrisburg, Allentown, Philadelphia, Newark, places like that will hit the middle 90s for highs. And with those high heat indices expected to be over 100 easily, we could have some heat advisories forthcoming from the National Weather Service. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out, but I do expect those, at least in the urban corridor of I-95, to expect some heat headlines in association with this on Monday. I think Monday's your worst day, and then as far as the heat and humidity is concerned, then when we get to Tuesday, you have a cold front that's going to be dropping off from the south. Uncertain exactly how much precipitation will be with this yet. We're still going with the notion that at least for the central and southern areas of our coverage area, we will have, with this cold front dropping off to the south, we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. So it's still going to get quite warm ahead of it. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s probably here on Tuesday, though, with front dropping off to the south before that front comes through with those scattered storms. So that's your next legitimate chance of precipitation. The European model yesterday was trying to hang up this front over the area on Wednesday. That is no longer the case today. Still close enough that we need to monitor it, but it looks like it's going to be one of those days where it's becoming partly cloudy and the wind starts shifting to the northwest here on Wednesday, so we get into lower humidity as well. And so seasonable day here on Wednesday, going back into the lower 80s for highs, and then back up to the middle 80s, it looks like, here on Thursday. Looking at mostly sunny skies coming back into the picture for Thursday. Early call for the following weekend is that we might be able to string a couple of these weekends that are dry together consecutively. Possibly. We'll wait and see how that plays out. But maybe we're at the start of a winning streak instead of a losing streak like we've been on for so long. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for June 15th, 2018. Have a great Friday.